Hi, everyone! Today I have a mind-blowing science discovery that most people have never heard of. Did you know that there's a type of jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish? This tiny jellyfish can actually reverse its aging process and start its life cycle over again. When it's injured or facing environmental stress, it reverts to its earliest form, a polyp, essentially becoming young again. This process can theoretically go on forever, making this jellyfish biologically immortal. Isn't that fascinating? If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing science facts.